The theme that I chose for EDCI 270 is weather for toddlers. So what I want to do with this topic is I really want to explore how to introduce the basics of weather to toddler children. And I want to describe the different forms of weather to them and also make sure that they get the basic understanding of associations that can be made with the certain types of weather to like seasons, activities, or clothing or other objects. So, for example, winter can be associated with snow, and rain boots are associated with rainy weather. Another thing that I could do would be incorporating memory games so they can better understand how the different things are connected. And I could also use stories and songs that are either already made or I can make up my own to really engage them in the weather activities that we do. And the usage of slideshows could also be beneficial, having all the stuff laid out, and it could also be utilized at home to make sure that they are really understanding the material. So with this, I just really want the children to understand how weather really affects their everyday lives and how they can see it all around them.